Hi everyone. In this video, we will go through dynamic data masking in the Azure SQL database. So what is dynamic data masking? So it's a feature to limit the sensitive data so that the users who does not have privileges, they cannot see the actual data of a column. So let me go through that one. For that, first we need to connect to Azure portal. So here I have connected to Azure portal. Then let me create a user so that we can exclude that user so that that user can query the data and see the actual format. So click on here is that overview section and click on query editor. Connect to the managed SQL server. So now I'm going to create a user from test environment. Run query succeeded. You can see that message. So now I'm going to give data reader role for this user. So that's good now. Now let's go through data masking. So for that, if you go down below, security, and click on dynamic data masking, we have saved that one. Okay. So now here you see that you can see the like schema, tables or columns name. Now we're going to set up a role. So that for first we need to click on add mask, click on add mask. So there are we can, this is the Microsoft base, and there are different logic you can put into place like default or credit card to see the last 4 digit, email just only to see the first character, and disable the domain name with default character, um, and also there's a custom text. So we'll go with two, we'll first one will go with email, and then second one will go with custom text. So let's go back. So from here we select the schema and we need to select the table and column that we would like to go first. So for now we would like to go with the customer, and let's go the email address. And now if you see down below that, see how to mask. So masking field format. So for email, I'm going to select the default one for this email address. So click email. And now here is that add. Click on add button. So now under the masking rules, you can see that we have got one rule in place. So create another one. This time we are setting on account number. So let's see, sales order header. account number, credit card. Let me go with the credit card. Is credit card information there? Okay, let's go with credit card. Approval code. And if we go there, credit card value, this is the last four. But what we want custom string. So here we can define, like as an example, we can say like how many characters will be in first, like 3 places. So first prefix we put as an example 3, next post suffix maybe 2, and then click on add. So now you see that there are 2 rows now. Let's query the database now. Click on query editor or cancel because save. Click on save. Saving dynamic data masking settings. Click on OK. Now let's query the data. Click on query editor. And from here, let's query first on the email address. Let me go back. And duplicate windows. Put the customer and email address, maybe case sensitive. Address. Typo. Okay. Email address. Now if I execute that one, I can see the information down below here. Now, so let me go back again. Query editor. I have created one user. So that is DMTSTUSR1. Okay. And now if we query the same table, and you see that it's getting masking format. So because super user has got already all the rights and the DB owner permission, with DB owner permission on unmask permission, that for that user could see the correct format, but a user then other than the DB owner or without unmask permission cannot see the actual format. And create another one. So now execute this one. Account number I put into which one? Credit card number. So credit card approved code. So you see that format, it's empty now. So now to modify that one, what we can do, we can just, like click this cells 80, that masking rule, second row, and we can update that one. So as an example, we are going to go with sales order. Why it's locking, not sure. If we just move here, then no, it's not enabled. So we can update to that specific column. But if you'd like to change, then what we have to do, we have to we can just change the format, default value as an example. We can click that one and click on update. But here, let me delete this row. And I'm going to see that rule has been deleted. I'm going to create a new rule like add mask name. Here is the schema name, then table name. So let me create header, and this time I'm going to select account number, and masking format I'm giving custom string, and exposed just last four strings, and click on add and click on save. Successfully saved that one. Now if I go back here and okay, and execute the query, you can see only last four digits here. Now if I would like to like exclude this user, any user from masking, I can select it from here. Is that SQL user excluded from masking? So click here and give a username. So like the user I created, I'm giving that username and passing the username here. So okay, now if I go back here, now if I execute that one, now I can see full string here. So that's it for masking session, data masking session. Thank you. Thanks for watching.